This is OPPO A80 and today I'll show or rather share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's explore available camera modes, starting with Pro mode, which, as you can see, allows you to manually adjust ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and white balance. So if you're not satisfied with how those camera parameters are being automatically adjusted and set by the, camera app itself, or you simply would like to gain more manual control over the photos you are capturing, Pro mode is definitely a way to go. Just select what parameter you would like to adjust and then just set it to whatever value you fancy. Now, when it comes to exploring available camera modes, you can also go into the More section and enter the high-res mode. So the name of this feature is pretty self-explanatory. It provides you with additional photo resolution. So now let me go ahead and take a photo in the regular photo mode, and then I'll go ahead and take the identical picture but now in the high-res mode, so we can compare them side by side. So this picture is a regular photo mode. That's how far I can zoom in. Not bad if you ask me. A pretty decent zoom distance and what seems to be a pretty decent definition. You can also see for yourself how many details are being preserved, so how just overall how detailed is this photo. And then if we'll go to the high-res one, you can already see that I can zoom in way further, and the level of details that it retains is also, it's not drastically better, to be perfectly honest with you, but it's kinda better. Kinda higher. Now if we'll go into the photo details for the regular photo mode, you'll see that the dimensions of this picture is 3K by 4K. And when it comes to high-res mode, the resolution should be twice as big. Yep, so 6K by 8K, and hence the increased, zoom in distance. Now if you'll open your camera's settings, you can enable a very useful capture mode that is capture with fingerprint sensor, and once enabled you can just put your finger at the fingerprint sensor, or at the power key. You do not need to press it or do anything like that, just gently lay it onto the sensor, onto the scanner, and it will serve as a shutter button. So if you ask me, a very convenient additional shooting method. Now if you didn't know, you can also customize the watermark content, so you can just enable the watermark, then select at least one, or just select the device model box here and then add whatever custom text you fancy. Now we can uncheck this button here and leave only the custom watermark text. So now once we take a photo, it is going to have our custom watermark printed onto it, or it should, yep. So here is the watermark. And I guess that'll be more or less everything I wanted to share with you in this video. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.